Hey everybody, it's Farmer Jane.
And Mike.
From Earth Care Farm. We're here, it's mid-May, and it is pretty, I guess, unseasonably cold and windy.
I don't ever remember such a long, sustained, windy period.
Yeah.
It's very unprecedented weather, drying and cooling.
And very, just like huge gusts all day long, blowing our high tunnel to smithereens and tarps around, and challenging weather to work in. This is the time when a lot of people are asking us when can they put their annuals in, their tomatoes, peppers, eggplant. And I would just say, hold on. Those guys, they're just gonna get whipped around right now.
Yeah.
And it's cold, so I would say kind of wait till that Memorial Day weekend right now.
Right.
That's a week from now.
30, 40 years ago, we always waited until Memorial Day weekend.
It's true.
We've been able to plant most recently earlier than Memorial Day, but this year seems to be a throwback to, I'd hold off. The weather's, there's cultures that consider the earth a living being.
But we're here in the garlic field, which is actually kind of loving this cold, windy weather. Although it's blowing all one direction, it'll straighten out. And I just wanted to talk about how we treat our garlic this time of year. So last fall, we topped the beds with compost. These are permanent raised beds. We never till this soil anymore. It's been about 4 years since we tilled. So now these are just permanent raised beds that we top every year with compost. Then we planted the garlic, topped it with this nice straw. And I'm just kind of watching out now for when the scape on the garlic will start to form. That'll be probably in like 3 or 4 weeks, but I just kind of keep an eye on it right now. They're beautiful right now. And I don't add any fertilizer or anything to these beds. The soil can support these garlic. What I will keep an eye on is if they do need irrigation. It's really easy when you have your soil fertility right. All I have to do is just keep an eye on the water. It's really freeing. It makes farming really fun, actually, and joyful.
It's always about the soil. That's our foundation.
It's true.
And
the other thing we've noticed is sometimes as we're planting, we drop a bulb here or there. We're finding that they're actually really delicious at this stage. They kind of treat it like a green onion, but you can cut off the bottom and just actually chop up the whole thing. Really nice, mild garlic flavor. So if you have some, I call them dinky garlic, some that just don't look like they're thriving in your bed right now, and you know they're not gonna have a nice sized bulb come summer, I would just eat them now. They're so good. And you get that flavor, and like for us, most of our garlic is pretty used up besides our garlic powder, so.
With this wind, it's drying. Jane's pointed out to me that I'm the water boy and I'm not doing a great job because it's drying out. So I gotta keep that, seeds need just the surface moist. So if you're seeding anything directly, you gotta keep that surface moist.
Yeah, it's tough in this wind. So anyway, that's our tips for this week, mid-May. And it's gonna be amazing what happens in the next month as we do get those annuals in and the warm sun comes and everything just pops like crazy. So we're pumped about that, but right now we're just gonna hold off. All right, thank you so
Sometimes
much.
it takes patience.
Yeah, yep.
Take care.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.